Anyone who has been involved with label printing knows that there will always be some maintenance, especially those of you who have worked with thermal transfer or direct thermal printers. Until technology progresses to the point where we can create ink and labels out of thin air, I can assure you that the Epson ColorWorks series has some of the quickest and easiest maintenance processes available. In this video, we'll be showing you how to replace the maintenance box on the Epson C6000 series using the C6000A as an example. Before we get started, we want to remind you that the Epson ColorWorks series of printers will tell you when the maintenance box or any ink needs to be replaced. It will also warn you when an item will need to be replaced soon. Be careful not to get these confused. This printer is not your typical desktop printer. The print quality will not decrease as the maintenance time approaches. Wait until the printer tells you the maintenance box needs to be replaced. Hopefully, you have your Epson SJMB 6000/6500 maintenance box on hand already. If not, you can always head over to InfinityLabelGroup.com and order some right now. We always recommend having a few on hand to prevent standstills in your mission-critical labeling processes. Inside the new maintenance box packaging is an instruction manual, a Ziploc bag to store the used maintenance box, and the new maintenance box itself. Replacement is incredibly simple. Open the rear compartment using either the front or the back latch. Then, locate the compartment where the maintenance box is stored, which should be on the right side of the printer if you're facing it from the front. You can use the raised plastic piece to pull up on the compartment door. You may feel a gentle click, and the door should go upwards towards the back of the printer, revealing the top of the maintenance box. Grab a hold of the gray handle on the installed box and pull it up and out of the printer. Take note of the direction of the silver foil on the box, since you'll be installing the new box in the same direction. To install the new box, just hold onto the gray handle on top of the box and slide it back into the printer in the same direction it came out. The silver foil should be facing towards the inside of the printer, and you may feel a little bit of resistance when installing the new box. Just give it a push until it seats firmly into place. Close the compartment door until it clicks firmly into place, and then close the printer lid. Your printer may go into a brief maintenance period to read the status of the new box, and then you're ready to get printing again. We can't stress how important it is to have backup maintenance boxes on hand. Once the current box is full, you will not be able to print anymore. That's why we created InfinityLabelGroup.com, where you can quickly order ink, maintenance items, and other printing supplies. If you would rather call or email, please feel free, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.